Hi everybody, I'm Ann Huey with Chemistry Connection, doing business as SaveOnCitric.com and MakeYourOwn.buzz. And today we're going to learn how to make an exfoliating foaming bath whip that's also moisturizing. Very simple. It's going to be using our foaming bath whip base, which you can find in a link below this video. Okay, today we're going to start out using our foaming bath whip base. And what you want to do is just put it into your mixer. And we are using 400 grams of the foaming bath whip base. Okay. And put your whisk attachment in, because what you're going to want to do is start whipping this until it almost doubles in size. We'll be right back. This is what your product should look like after the first whip. It should just about have doubled in size, very light, very fluffy, almost like an egg white. The next step is to add the oils. So today we're going to be adding 50 grams of avocado oil, which is a great moisturizing oil. So just turn it on stir and add your avocado oil. And I like to add grapeseed oil as well. It has many benefits for your skin. It's also great for your hair, although I wouldn't suggest putting this product into your hair. So add your grapeseed oil. Okay, then we're going to add our next liquid, which is our fragrance oil. Now you can use any fragrance or any essential oil that you like. And today I'm going to be using one of our new fragrance oils, Basil and Neroli type by Jo Malone. It's one of my favorites. It's just a great spa type smell. And we have 15 grams of the grapeseed oil went in, and now we have 15 grams of the Basil Neroli fragrance oil. We put that in. Okay, now we're going to give it a whip to bring it back up. So just turn your mixer up to high. Give it a good whip for a minute until all of your product is incorporated. Now you're going to want to turn this down, and you're going to want to scrape down your sides. Just get all of that unincorporated product back into the center. Okay. And now we're going to add our exfoliation properties. We're going to be using Himalayan pink fine sea salt today. So we're going to need 75 grams of Himalayan fine pink salt. So we're going to pour that in. And we're also going to use 2 of our jojoba beads. We're going to use our evergreen for a lovely contrast, and we're also going to be using our red hot jojoba beads. And you're going to use 5 grams of each one of those jojoba beads. And then just put your mixer back down, turn it on high, and let it whip until it brings back up in volume. And as you're whipping, you might need to take your spatula and scrape down the sides one more time. Just keep in mind that the more that you whip the product, the lighter it's going to get. For those of you that are making these products to sell, I call this product the money maker. It is the money maker because, as you might know, with all of your products that you're making and blending, if you add more water or more air, you are just really doubling your profits, basically, if not tripling. So the more air and water you can add usually and still keep the integrity of your product, the better. And this is a great product because it's nice and light and fluffy. So we're just going to whip it for another couple of minutes until it gets nice and light. And I'm going to prepare the jars. I've got a couple of 16-ounce jars here. You can use any size jar that you like. 8-ounce jars work very well too. You can even put it into a tube for squeezing if you have a crimper. Okay, it looks pretty good, pretty nice and fluffy. And so I'm going to start filling up my jars. I'll take this off, kind of beat the side a little bit. And oh, it smells so good. I wish you could smell it. It's wonderful. Try our Basil and Neroli scent if you're looking for a nice spa type fragrance. And then just fill your jar however you like. I am going to just be using my spatula today and tamping it down as I go. Fill it full, and it's so creamy and fluffy. And the mixture of the jojoba beads just make a wonderful contrast. I made some of this product earlier, and I just used the red hot jojoba beads, which was nice, but I can definitely see how this would make a great Christmas scrub if you want to use one of our Christmas fragrances, apple wreath, or any of our great Christmas fragrances. We also have orange jojoba beads for those of you out there that are in pumpkin spice season. So what you do is you just tap it down to get any air bubbles out, and this is your finished product. And this is the one that I made earlier. I actually piped it in with a piping tip and a bag, so you can do either, however you like. And it will firm up just a little bit with time, but it's still light and nice and creamy. And that's it. Please feel free to leave us a comment below and check out our website, www.saveoncitric.com and www.makeyourown.buzz. Thank you.